Everything's cooled down. It's 75 degrees. Now it's time to add the yeasties. And I'm going to dump these in here, stir it up, close this bad boy down. So make sure you get all those little guys in there. Okay. And then we're going to stir it up. Get these guys all mixed in. A little aeration there too, so we'll get this started. Alright, looks like it's stirred up nice and good. Okay, now let's go over here. Well, we don't need that thermometer, we already know what the temperature is. I'm going to dump this airlock back. Some sanitizer just for a second. So we just make sure this is extra sanitizer. Yeah, that's always good. Can't be too careful. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of that on the lid there just to be safe too. Give that a old swirl around. Alright, dump it in the sink. The rest of the bad dirty stuff. Alright, I think we're going to be lidding this bucket and start to ferment some beer.